Tired of messy tasks and missed deadlines? You're not alone. Let's fix that in under 2 minutes. Project management software helps you plan, track, and manage your work in one place. Think ClickUp, Trello, and Asana. Why does it matter? It keeps you organized, enables collaboration, and ensures tasks are completed on time with no confusion. Most tools offer features like to-do list, Gantt chart, Kanban boards, file sharing, and instant notifications. Who uses it? Everyone from startups and corporations to students, freelancers, and content creators. It's for all kinds of workflows. Real world examples: Trello uses boards for visual task tracking, ClickUp lets you plan timelines, Notion blends documents with tasks, and ready to boost your productivity now? Explore the best tool for your style and subscribe for more tutorials like this, as I'll be making tutorials on Notion and other project management softwares. Have a wonderful day. Take care.